Crispy and juicy chicken cutlets recipe. Hey, food lovers! Want to impress your friends or treat yourself with something absolutely delicious? Today, we're making crispy, juicy chicken cutlets that'll have you drooling. Perfect for parties, late night cravings, or a quick study break snack. Let's get started. First things first, here's what you'll need. 500 g of boneless chicken, finely minced. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 2 green chilies, chopped for a spicy kick. Have these ready? Let's spice things up and start mixing them into pure perfection. In a mixing bowl, combine chicken, onions, and green chilies. Add spices like salt, pepper, and a pinch of curry powder for incredible flavor. Mix well until all the goodness comes together. The perfect base for crispy cutlets is ready. Shape the mixture into small, flat patties. Coat each in beaten egg and breadcrumbs for that crispy magic. Now, heat some oil and fry the cutlets until they're golden brown and irresistibly crispy. Pro tip: don't crowd the pan, fry in batches. And voila! You've got perfectly crispy, juicy chicken cutlets. Serve hot with ketchup or your favorite dips. Now that you're all prepped for snack success, what are you waiting for? Try this recipe today. Hit like, share, and subscribe for more easy college-friendly recipes. Let us know how your cutlets turned out in the comments below. Happy cooking, foodies!